Good morning all of you children. I am B. Swarnalatha, KGPP from Tambalapalli. This section is discussed to the 7th class 2nd chapter fractions and decimals. We also discussed to the fractions and decimals previous class 5th and 6th. So revision to the what is the fractions, types of the fractions, so decimals. First one, fraction. What is the fraction, children? We know that part of, to see the figure, this is the whole part. This part is divided two parts. This is half of the part is divided. This write down 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the half. So 1 is a numerator. 1 is the numerator. 2 is the denominator. Children, is it clear? Upper part is the numerator. Down part is the denominator. Is it clear? What is the numerator? Upper part is the numerator. Down part is the denominator. Is it clear? Next one, types of the factors. Types of a factors. First factor is proper fraction. Proper fraction. So, first fraction is proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Second one, improper fractions. Third one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Types of the fractions. How many types of the fraction, children? 3 types of the fraction. First one is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. So, first one is discussed to the first proper fraction. So, what is the proper fraction? Is proper fraction is less than 1. Proper fraction. Okay, now. Types of the fraction. First one is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. So, what is the proper fraction? What is the proper fraction? These fractions are less than 1. Take any fractions. To simplify, the result is 1. That can be called proper fraction. So, proper fraction is always numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. So, numerator is always smaller than, denominator is always greater than. See the example. 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. So, 2 is the smaller than the denominator. 2 is the smaller than the 3. Numerator is small, denominator is the big. Is it clear? 5 is the numerator, 6 is the denominator. Is it observed? What is the proper fraction? Is fraction numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than to the denominator. So, is always numerator is smaller number and denominator is greater number. Is called the proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. This fraction number is all more than 1. To observe, proper fraction is less than 1. Improper fraction is more than 1. To observe two fractions, proper fraction is less than 1. Improper fraction is more than 1. So, is always numerator is greater than 1. Numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. So, see the some examples. Numerator is big number, denominator is small number. Okay? Numerator is big number, denominator is small number. What is the difference between the proper fraction and improper fraction? Only one difference. One difference. What is the difference? Proper fraction is less than 1. Improper fraction is more than 1 is the difference. See the observe? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Proper fraction, these fractions are less than 1 and the part of whole. So, example 2 by 3. So, proper fraction is always denominator is bigger than. Denominator is a bigger number. Okay. Denominator is a bigger number is a proper fraction. Improper fraction, denominator is a small number. Denominator is a small number. Next, mixed fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. Third one is mixed fraction. All improper fractions are mixed fraction. Okay? All improper fractions. All improper fractions are called mixed fractions. All improper fractions, mixed fractions. So, whole number plus fractions. Whole number plus fractions is called improper mixed fraction. 2, 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 2, 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. 2 is a whole number. 2 is a whole number. 1 by 2 is a fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. Is it clear? Types of the fractions. 3 types of the fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than to the denominator. Proper fraction, numerator is less than to the denominator. Improper fraction is numerator is greater than to the denominator. Numerator is greater than to the denominator. Next one, mixed fraction. So, mixed fraction is always all improper fractions are mixed fractions. Or improper fractions are mixed fraction. Whole number or whole number plus fractions. To mix whole number and fractions is called a mixed fractions. Children, to change mixed fraction, change to the fractions. Mixed fraction, change to the fraction. How to change mixed fraction in improper fractions? How to change mixed fraction into improper fraction? See the carefully. So, whole number, denominator, whole number to multiplication. First step. Step 1. Denominator multiply the whole number. How much? 2 into 2? 4. How much? 2? 4. Okay. First step what? Denominator is multiplied to the whole number. Is it clear? Denominator multiplied to the whole number to get 4. Next step 1. Step 2. Get result. Result is 4. Added to the numerator. Okay. So, second step maybe. What is the second step? First step, denominator multiply the whole number. First step. Second step, number. To get the result is whole number and add to the numerator. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So this 5 is get to the numerator and same is not changed to the denominator. Is not changed to the denominator. Okay. Is it clear? So another example to see. First step what? This is multiplying. 4 into 3 how much? 12. Second step 12 plus 1 how much? 13. 13 by 3. Okay. Is it clear? So another example. 4 3s are 7 3s are how much? 21. 21 plus 1 22 by 3. Next 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 12. Is it clear? How to change mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How to change to the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. So first step to multiply the denominator and whole number. What is the first step? To multiply the whole number and denominator to get the answer and add to the numerator. Second step to get the answer to addition add to the 1. To get the number is denominator and numerator is not changed. Same number is write down. So is it clear? Is it clear children? What is changed to the mixed fraction to proper fraction? Children, to discuss the types of the fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. To change to the mixed fraction into the proper fraction. Another fraction is like fractions. One of the fraction is like fractions. What is the like fractions? What is the like fractions? The fraction number that has the same number of denominator. The fraction number that has the same number of denominator. Denominator is called like fractions. Same number of denominator. Same denominator. So see the example 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. Denominator has same number is 2. Same number is 2. Is it clear? Like fractions. Denominator's same number is called the like fractions. So comparing the like fractions. So 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Which fraction is greater? Which fraction is great? Which fraction is bigger than? So 1 by 2 is a smaller fraction. 3 by 2 is a greater fraction. 3 by 2 is a greater fraction. Okay, is it clear? Like fractions. What is the like fractions? Denominator is same. Denominator is same is called the like fractions. Denominator is same is called the like fractions. So comparing the like fractions. 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Which fraction is great? 3 by 2 is a great. 1 by 2 is a small. Okay. Next fraction, unlike fractions. Is denominator are not same. Like fractions is denominator is same. Unlike fractions, denominator are not same. Is called unlike fractions. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. These fractions. Comparing the fractions. Which fraction is greater than? So easily identify the like fractions. So to see the observe, to get the answer to which great, which small is simply identify the like fractions. But unlike fractions is not simply identify. Why? It is a denominator is small, same. Is not a same. To change to the denominator is same. So first is unlike fractions comparing to the change to the like fractions. First to unlike fractions change to the like fractions. So 3 by 4 multiply to the 6 by 6. Next fraction 5 by 6 multiply to the both numerator and denominator. So 6 3s are 18, 4 6 are 24. 5 into 4, 20. 6 to 4, 24. So, to change to the unlike fractions, first like fractions. So, next you comparing to the fractions. Which one is greater than 20 by 24? So, 5 by 6 is a great fractions. So, 3 by 4 is the smaller fraction. Is it clear? Comparing the unlike fractions, first you change to the like fractions. First you change to the like fraction. How to change? First you change to the denominator 4 to 6. 4, 6 to get LCM. First you get LCM. So 2 2s are 2 3s are. So LCM, how much LCM? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 is 12. Okay. First you get LCM is 12 to multiply to the fractions. Okay. Another is easily to calculate to the which fraction. Another fraction is denominator. You take another fraction denominator to multiply the numerator and denominator. Next fraction you take first fraction denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator is multiply the to get the answer. Okay, it is easily calculation. This one is the first small difficult. Okay, is it clear, children? Children's addition to the like fractions. How to addition in like fractions? So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is simply to addition. So denominator is same. To get the denominator is one same number. Next numerator. Which numbers numerator? 1. Second one 3. So denominator same number is write down to the denominator. Next numerator how many numbers? 1 plus 3. So get to the same 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 how much? 4 by 2 is easily calculated to the like fractions. Another example 12 by 16 comma 13 by 60 22 by 60 to addition. So 3 are unlike fractions, 2 are like fractions. Any to get like fractions, the easy to the calculate. So denominator is same to get to the denominator. So numerator first 12 plus 13 plus 22. Okay children? To numerator is same to get to the same number in denominator. Next numerator first fraction numerator is 12. Second fraction numerator is 13. Third fraction numerator is 22. To addition 12 plus 13 how much? 25. 25 plus 22 how much? 47 by 60. Okay. Next example. To addition 18 by 2 plus 17 by 2. Denominator is same 2. Numerator 70. 18 plus 17. 18 plus 17 how much? 35. 35 by 2. Okay, clear? Addition to the like fractions. Okay? What like fractions? Denominator is same. Is called the like fractions. Same denominator, you get to the same. Next, numerator 1 plus 2 same. 1 plus 3. Is to get addition 4 by 2. Okay? Next, subtraction. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This is not changed. Denominator is same. Numerator 1 by 3. 1 by 3 how much? Minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. Okay. Next example. 5 by 6. 3 by 6. Okay, children. Denominator is 6. Numerator 5 minus 3. How much? 2 by 6. Okay. Children. So, addition to the unlike fractions. Addition to the unlike fractions. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. How to calculate? First denominator to get the LCM. First step, denominator numbers are LCM. So, how to get the LCM? 3, 4. 3, 5 is a which numbers? 3, 5 is a prime numbers. So, LCM is 3 into 5. How much 3 into 5? 15. LCM is 15. Okay. So, 2 by 3 into how much number is divided by next fraction? 5 by 5. To take next fraction, 5 by 5 is numerator and denominator to multiply to the 3 and 3. How much? 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 50 plus 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 50. So, LCM you get to the denominator. LCM you get to the denominator. So, it is which fractions? 2. These two fractions are like fractions. So, it is easy. What is like fractions to addition? First denominator you get same 15. And numerator is same 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15 how much? 22 by 15. 22 by 15. See now, next example. One more example, children. 5 by 4. 7 by 6. Okay. So, first step. 5 by 4. To multiply to the 6 by 6. To multiply to the 6 by 6 plus 7 by 6 to multiply numerator and denominator 4. To multiply numerator and denominator 4. 6 5s are 30. 6 4s are 24 plus 7 4s are 28. 6 4s are 24. So, these two fractions are like fractions. To understand to the like fractions, children, clearly denominator is 24, numerator 30 plus 28. How much 30 plus? 58 by 24. Okay? To understand. So, subtraction of unlike fractions. Next to subtraction of unlike fractions. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. First step, 2, 3 LCM how much? 15. First fraction you write down. Multiply to the numerator and denominator. Which number? 5. 5 multiply to the numerator and denominator. So minus 4 by 5 is fraction. Numerator and denominator is multiplied by 3. Next, 5 2s are how much? 10. 3 5s are how much? 50. Minus 4 3s are how much? 12. 5 3s are 15. So, to observe unlike fractions, change to the like fractions. Unlike fractions, change to the like fractions. So, next, easily simplify, calculate. Same 15, 10 minus 12. How much? 2 by 15. Children, see the object. To take two unlike fractions, subtraction, to change to the unlike fractions. First you change to the like fraction. How to change? 3 by a denominator, 3 comma 5 is numerator, is LCM, get 15. LCM is 15. So denominator is changed to the 15. How number is multiplied to the 15? So first 2 by 3 is multiplied to the numerator and denominator 5. 5 by 5 to get 5 and 5. Next fraction 4 by 5 to multiply to the numerator and denominator same number 3. 3 by 3. 2 5 2s are 10. 3 5s are 15 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. To observe children, to get to the like fractions. Okay, to change to the like fractions. So, like fractions, subtraction how much? To denominator is same, numerator are same numbers you write down. 50, 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 how much? 2 by 15. Another example children. 4 by 7, 5 by 6. To subtraction, which fractions is 2 are? Unlike fractions. First you change which fractions? Like fractions. So how to change? LCM. Denominator 5 comma 6 LCM how much? 5 into 6 is 42. To get to the denominator is 42. Which number is multiplied to the 42? 6. 6 by 6. 5 by 6. 7 into 7. 6 4s are 24. 7 6s are 42. 7 5s are 35. So, these fractions, two fractions are like fractions. To subtraction 42 minus 35 by 42. Same 42. 24 minus 35. 24 minus 35 how much children? So 24. 24 is small. 35 is a big. So 35. 24. 9. Which sign? Minus. So 35 is a big number. To get the same sign. Minus 9 by 42. Another example, see the children. 7 by 6, 8 by 5. 7 by 6, 8 by 5 how? Which fractions? Unlike fractions. First step to change to the like fractions. Unlike fractions, first step to change to the like fractions. First, how much? 7 by 6 into 5 by 5 minus 8 by 5 into 6 into 6. 7 5s are 35. 6 5s are 30. 8 6 are 48 minus 30. So denominator is 30. Numerator 35 minus 48. 35 minus 48 how much children? 5 8. 35 minus 48. Big number which? 48. Sign is 48. So 35 లో నుంచి 5 పోతే 13 by 30. 7 by 30. Okay? Is it clear children? So first, so subtraction, addition, any one. Children, 5 by 6 minus 8 by 6. These fractions are unlike fractions. To change first these two fractions to change to the like fractions. First 5 by 6 into 5 by 5 minus 8 by 5 into 6 by 6. Okay. 7 5 is how much? 35. 6 5 is 30. 8 6 is 48. 5 6 is 30. So subtraction to the same denominator is same. To get two numbers, denominator is same. Numerator are same to write down. 35 minus 48. 35 minus 48 how much? 13. 13 by 30. So is it clear? Understand to the children to like fractions, addition and subtractions. Unlike fraction, addition and subtraction. To clear? Understand all of you students? Children, next topic, decimals. What is the decimals? A fraction whose denominator is the power of tens and whose denominator is expressed in the figure of place in the rights of decimal points. Okay? What is the mean of the decimals? So decimals is the denominator is the power of tens. Power of tens. Power of tens is decimals. So see the example 45.6. 45.6. So 45.6. So 6 is the tens and tens place. Tens place. So 5 is the ones place. 4 is the tenth place. And to get 4 tens, 5 ones. 4 get 4 tens, 5 ones and 6 tens. Next example 356.76. 356.76. These hundreds, 5 tens, 6 ones, 7 tens, 6 hundred. Okay, 356.76. So what you read? How to read 356? 356.76. It does not read 356.76. Is not read. Is it correctly read? 356.76. So 76 is a decimal point. 76 is the decimal points. 76 is the decimal points. How to read 356.76? 356.76. Children, how to addition decimal numbers? 2.3, 3.56. So 2.3. Next 3.56. This point is no number to mark to the into. 2 addition same. 6. 5 plus 3, 8. Point. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Next example 0.23, comma 0.026. How much to addition? 2.26. How to write and see clearly to identify 0, 0, 2, 6. Point is same. Point is same. So to addition is nothing. 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 2.0. Okay. Next example 2.368. 456.23. 456.23. 456.23. the number is marked into. So 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 2 plus 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 12, 4. Okay? To clearly understand the children, decimal numbers, how to addition. Okay? Addition ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది అర్థమైందా children? Subtraction children. 2.3, 0.3. So, how to subtraction? 0.3, 0.2. How much? 3 to 1.0. Second example, 0.236 minus 1.021. Okay? First big number, first you write down 1.021. Next 0.236. Okay? So to subtraction, 1 to 6 is not subtraction. To add to the next number is 1. To take 10 space, 10 plus 1, how much? 11. 11 to 6. 11, 6. 11, 6. 11, 6 is subtraction to the how much? 11, 6 to subtraction to the 1. This number is take to the 1. So, this remaining is 1. 1, 3. So, is to add the 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 11, 11, 3. 11 low, 11 to subtraction to the 3, how much? 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, how much? 11 minus 3, how much children? 8. 11 minus 3, how much children? 8. Next, you take 1. Okay, so is a 9. 9 minus 2, how much? 7. Is a 0. 1 is a inside. So it is remaining 0. 0.785. Next, 4.23 minus 1.26. Okay, 4.23, 1.26. So 3 to 6 now you can take to the next to face value 1, 13, 13 to 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6, how much children? 7. 13 minus 6, how much? 7. Next, this one is 1. 11 minus 2, how much? 9. 11 minus 2, how much? 9. This is 3, remaining 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So, 2.97. So, understand the children's minus decimal? Children's comparing the decimals. 0.2, 0.4. So, 0.2, 0.4. Which decimal is big? 0. is greater. 0.2 is smaller. Okay. 0.2 is greater than 0.4. Next, 1.2, 1.6. How much is great decimal? 1.6 is the great decimal. 1.2 is the small decimal. Okay, children? 2.36, 2.06. Which is the greatest decimal? 2.36 is the greatest decimal. 2.06 is the smaller decimals. Okay? Comparing the decimals. Next, ascending order. Decimals ascending order. What is the ascending order? So, ascending is increasing value. One number is, another number is increasing. One number to another number is get to change. Increasing order. Ascending order is nothing but increasing to the another decimal. First small decimal how much? 0.0 is the small decimal. Another one 0.14. Next 1.04. 1.14. So to understand children, ascending order is to start to the small number to end to the great number, big number. Okay? Clear? Understand students? Ascending order. First you start to the small number. Next end to the big number. Okay? First you start small decimal 0.04. So another small number 0.14. Next 1.04. Next 1.14 is the great big decimal. 0.04 is the small decimal. Next descending order. So reversing. Ascending order is reversing to the decimal order. So increase. Decreasing to the decrease. Descending order is decreasing. Decreasing. So to start big number. To write down first big number. Second another number. So 0.14, 0.04. Okay children, to understand ascending order is increasing. Ascending order is increasing. Descending order is decreasing. Decreasing. Ascending order is increasing. So one number to get another number is increasing. So great number. So adding. Okay children, ascending order is increasing. First to start small number, small decimal number. Next another to get another small number. To starting is small number and ending to the big number. As descending order is increasing. First you start big number and end to the small number. Okay children, how to discuss to this class, briefly discussed. What is the fraction? First, what is the fraction? The whole part of the group and whole numbers. Types of the fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction is numerator is less than to the denominator. Improper fraction is numerator is greater than to the denominator. So next one, like fractions, unlike fractions. Denominator is same is called like fractions. Denominator is does not same is a unlike fractions. Next one, decimals. How to add to the decimal? Subtractions, like fractions addition and subtractions. Unlike fractions addition and subtraction. To discuss to these sections. So children, write down the assignment. Take your notebook and pens. Write down the assignment. First question, convert the following improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Convert to the following improper fraction into the mixed fraction. Second question, write the 5 groups of like fractions. Write the 5 groups of like fractions. Second one, add the following proper fraction. Next, subtraction to the following fractions. Next question, add the following decimal numbers. Okay children, bye. Next you discuss to the class remaining exercises. Okay.